My name's Toni Garn. I'm from Hamburg, Germany, and I'm the model of this campaign for Elie Saab. She's very confident for sure. She's very feminine, knows where she's going definitely, but still is very grounded. She's always with everyone else in the crowd and doesn't lift off. She's very modern. She knew where she was going the whole time, but definitely always in the light, always on the bright side of life. The dress is amazing. I'm still wearing it. I want to take it home. It's super flowy, very, very comfortable. I was wearing it all day for like 15 hours every day. Amazing fabric, very feminine, but not too sexy. I would have to say the moment walking on the bridge. It was freezing, but I didn't feel it anymore. It was so much fun. I felt like on a runway, but in the city, in the middle of the world, and then with the wind, and it felt amazing. It was so much fun.